Okay, yes, what is a 3-point turn? So the car must move forward across to the other side of the road while scanning down the road. Now, you try not to hit the gutter, stay away from that, otherwise that'll be a fail. Into reverse, you're scanning out all directions, especially over your shoulder out the back window. Slowly reversing back, judging when to stop. When the front wheel just runs off the middle of the road about now, you can stop, full lock, and now we're going to drive forward. So this is point number 3, moving north, and that's the basics. We'll get into the rest of the video now, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, my name's Glenn. I'm going to show you today on this video, it's going to be about a 3-point turn, what we need to do, what the car has to do, requirements for test day, and what we need to do as the driver. So there's going to be certain things that the examiner on test day is going to see that you're going to be doing their requirements that you have to do. So it's all about safety, scanning and controlling the car. So I'll go through those with you now, and you'll see what we need to do. Okay, so we've basically pulled over and stopped. We've checked it's all safe. Our indicator would be on. Pulled over, stopped, and now we're assessing the mirror behind, front, this mirror, and the shoulder check. Okay, so we're checking if it's clear. So checking front and back, indicators on. Now as I'm moving across, I'm allowed to turn the wheel all the way to full lock. Okay, this is called dry steering. Some schools don't like it because you're actually screwing the tyre on the road. I don't really care. Okay, it's my car. You only do it every now and again. Test day, it's no big deal. If you're in a 4-wheel drive or a vehicle with bad turn circle, you pretty much need to do this. You can slowly roll forward and then start turning if you like as well, but I've full locked already. I'm now shoulder checking out my blind spot, and I'm going to slowly, no, I don't need any power in my car. If you need power in your car, you give it a few revs. I'm just easing the clutch and I'm riding the clutch. This is what this is called, riding the clutch. That's all I need to do. So I'm now at friction point, scanning, slowly working my way across, and I'm checking to the front to see how close to the gutter I am, stopping, going to reverse. Now as I'm doing that, I'm assessing all my blind spots. Once again, I'm dry steering, okay, looking, and I'm looking out the very back window, window 6 I call it. If you don't look there, they'll fail you. Constantly scanning. Now when the front wheels just come off the center of the road, about here, I call coming off the cliff, just stop. Should have enough room to go forward. I'm scanning both ways, assessing, looking, indicating to the right, and slowly moving off. Checking it's safe and continuing on. So that's your 3-point turn, guys. It's all about safety. Take your time, just ride that clutch nice and smooth. It's the only time you can ride a clutch, okay, is at low speed. When you're entering a driveway, doing your maneuvers, whether it's a 3-point turn or a reverse parallel park, you just ride that clutch. You're at friction point, bite point, balance point, or riding the clutch. Okay, alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, greatly appreciated. Building up my subscribers, I'm only at about 40 odd. Trying to get to 1,000, that's the objective of any YouTuber, and plenty of watch hours. Alright, cheers guys, thanks for watching, and stay safe out on the road. Now if you're in an area or a road that's very narrow, you can do what's called a 4-point turn. Okay, so I'll do a 4-point turn now for you. We've pulled over and stopped. Okay, so I'm in a vehicle that's got a bad turn circle. So I'm going across, and I can't come quite as tight. So I'm here now, Same thing, assessing, looking over my shoulder, looking out both windows, and I can only back up to here. So I've done 1, 2, and 3. Some people might call it a multi-turn, and now I'm coming back and stopping, and now I can move on. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, and off we go. As I'm straightening up, checking my rear view mirror, seeing it's all safe, and continuing on.